Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to the channel, my name is Kevin. I do stuff on this Audi S5 that's featured in today's video all the time. This guy's C63 AMG pops up on the channel here and there. We do a lot of car stuff, mostly in the summertime. It's winter, it's actually early January, but there's no snow on the ground, so that means we are taking out the S5 and we're getting ripping. I'm super excited for this video because I have not done a launch control on my car in quite some time. So we're getting the engine warmed up. We're not doing anything stupid. I'm gonna blow up my car today, knock on wood. Last time I did a launch control video on this car specifically was like last year, I think around this time actually. So last time we did this, we managed to get a sub 4 second 0 to 60. That was pretty impressive. I'm super happy with those numbers. I have not actually timed a 0 to 60 with the summer setup. I don't know how I haven't done that yet. If you guys have been paying attention to my recent videos, you know I switched out my summer set for the Bridgestone Blizzaks on my stock rims. So that's what we're working with today. RIP tires shouldn't actually be that bad, but I think we're just gonna do one launch today because this is more of an instructional video. I don't do a ton of these on the channel, but lo and behold, we're doing one today. Ladies and gentlemen, this is how to launch your Audi. Specifically, this is the S5, but I think across the board it's pretty similar. But this tutorial will be helpful for any modern Audi with the sport button, sport settings, all the different dynamic modes and whatnot. But right now I'm trying to look for a good spot to launch my car. Once we get there, I will start the actual tutorial. Ladies and gentlemen, let's leave a like for a little launch control. Well, ladies and gents, we found probably the most perfect spot to do this little test. There are not many houses in sight, not many ears that can call the cops on me. All right, so now we're in the instructional part. Ladies and gentlemen, first of all, you're gonna want the car to be in dynamic mode. So you do this by clicking the drive select button until you get to dynamic. A little S will pop up. If the S isn't there, don't do it yet because you're not doing it right. Once the S pops up and you're in sport mode, turn the traction control button off. Just one press, one click. It's gonna pop up with this. Do not hold it. There are multiple modes for this. Do not turn it all the way off. I know you're gonna be tempted to, but trust me, one click is all you need. You want this on your dash, nothing else. After you've done these two small steps, you are ready to launch the car. Now, this is important, so pay attention. You're gonna need to use both feet for this part. You're going to mash the brake in all the way with your left foot, mash the gas in all the way with your right foot, and then let off the brake. So again, that's mash the brake, mash the gas, let off the brake. The car is gonna do all the rest of the work for you. You're gonna see the RPMs jump to about 3,000. The car might feel like it's braking at that point, but trust me, it's not. Once you get there, release the brake and hold the gas all the way to the floor, and you're going to launch your car. So let's do this for real. Well, that was pretty fun. Use that responsibly. I did it with one hand because I am obviously a trained professional on a closed course. Not everybody has the skills that I possess, so just be careful when you're doing that, guys. So obviously off the top of my head, I have no idea what the 0 to 60 time was, but that is not the point of this video. I'll probably overlay it just for fun because I'm curious, but that is how to launch your Audi. Now, if you have any questions or if you're struggling with anything in the instructions, if you guys are confused, you have a different model, leave a comment. I'm sure somebody will help you out if it's not me. I do look at all my comments and try to respond as much as I possibly can, so keep firing in those comments. Leave a like on the video for that launch control, ladies and gentlemen. Subscribe if you're new. We just hit 2,300 subscribers, so thank you very much. Absolutely fun time on the channel, guys. Glad we could get out today while the weather is pretty nice relatively for a January in Michigan. Yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video, guys. Just a short, quick one today. Leave a like, subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Adios.